Hi there. Are you waiting in line too?
Oh, hi. Yes, I am. It looks like the place is pretty busy today.
Yeah, it's always crowded in the morning. People love their coffee before work.
True. I can't start my day without it. What do you usually order?
I usually get a cappuccino. What about you?
I like a simple black coffee. No sugar, no milk, just strong coffee.
Wow, that's brave. I tried black coffee once, but it was too bitter for me.
Haha, yeah, it takes time to get used to. Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work at the design studio across the street. What about you?
Oh, nice. I work at the bookstore next door.
Really? I love that bookstore. I go there on weekends to read or buy new novels.
That's great. Maybe I've seen you there before.
Maybe. So, how long have you been working there?
For about a year now. I like it. It's quiet and I get to read a lot.
That sounds nice. I wish my job was that relaxing. My office can get really busy.
I can imagine. What kind of design do you do?
Mostly logos and posters. We also design ads for local businesses.
That's cool. You must be very creative.
Thanks. I try my best. What about you? Do you enjoy reading every day?
Definitely. Reading helps me relax and learn new things.
Same here. I love reading mystery stories. What's your favorite genre?
I like history and travel books. They make me feel like I'm exploring the world.
That's interesting. Maybe you can recommend me a good travel book someday.
Sure, and maybe you can design a cool book cover for me someday.
Deal!
Yeah, well, it was nice talking to you, Anna.
Same here, Mark. Maybe I'll see you at the bookstore sometime.
I hope so. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.